Hello everybody, this is Tom again and I got Jody here with me, and today we're going to be discussing how you input data into our drug and alcohol testing software. Typically in any software there are usually two ways to input data. You can either import it manually, which in our system is the Add New Employee button, or you can import your data. Okay, and this allows you to go out and find an import file to import. Now you also can do both. So you can do some manually, and you can do, you can do a mixture of both of them. Today, our video is going to show how you do it manually. So we're going to be entering using this button, Add New Employee button, and we're going to enter a brand new employee that just hired on, and Jody's going to take over and show this capability of the software.
Alrighty, from the main window down there at the bottom, under Add, click on Add New Employee. And it brings us to the window for Add Employee. So we're just going to start right off putting in the ID, employee ID.
Let's do something simple, Jody, and make it easy.
Sounds great.
Instead of those big long driver's license numbers or whatever. Okay?
All right. And then first name, Donald, last name, Duck.
How's that? We're going to put Donald Duck in the system today. That'll be easy to find. All right. Now, birth date is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and put something in. When would Donald be born in? The 1940s?
Okay.
Maybe let's say 48, 09,
so put in the year first, month, and day.
So now we tab down to the existing company name.
Okay, he's not in there as company. He works for Disney.
Oh,
so what would we do?
Well, see, we've never entered a record with Disney before.
Oh.
So these are all the ones that we've already entered.
Okay.
So now we're going to be putting it over here.
Oh.
So we're going to put Disney over here. And once we save this, the next time we come into this window, Disney will be available here.
Okay.
So you never have to type it more than once.
All right.
All right, we're going to be entering, probably not going to be entering any result data, right?
Nope, he has no results.
Yeah, because he's new, right?
Right.
Okay, so let's just add him like that.
So click on Add Employee.
It says record added to main. Okay, you notice it didn't say it's added to history, so we'll explain that in a minute.
Right.
So let's go over here and sort by last name, which you can do by clicking on any header. You can sort. And let's find Donald Duck. And here he is. And there's his data. We can see all his data here. He has no result data, no MRO, no last test date, no test result.
Okay.
Which means he's not going to be in history. Because the only way you get into the history table is if you have history, which is a drug or an alcohol result. So see, when I sort by last name here, there's no Donald Duck.
Oh,
so let's go back to main. So we didn't have any data for him.
Well, guess
oh my
what?
God, somebody just put some paper on my desk. What is it, Jody?
Looks like we've got some results that came in.
For Donald?
For Donald.
All right, let's go put them in. All right, so now the way we do that is we sort again by last name. Go find Donald Duck, and
well, we sit there and we add new test result button. We click on that.
All right. Now it says add a new test result for Donald Duck. Yes. All right.
Okay, so right here, you've got your section where you're going to put in your MRO and lab. It's optional. Tom will put that in so we can see it. Okay. And
you notice we have the reference date up here to let us know what record we're entering results.
Exactly.
We can't change any of this. It's just reference.
Okay. And then we can put in the last test date.
Now people might be wondering why I'm putting 2023, because all of our data when we do demos, everything's 2023. So we're just going to do it that way.
Okay. And then we're going to add here the test result, because the test result came in today.
All right, so we got all of our valid DOT drug and alcohol test results, all the ones that go into DOT MIS data collection form. They're all in here, over 100 of them.
Okay, that's nice. They're all pre-populated.
See, here's all the alcohol ones. Here's all the drug ones.
Okay, that's nice.
Drug pre-employment.
That keeps you from having to type them out. They're right there.
Absolutely.
You can select them.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're going to go with verified negative pre-employment right there.
Right there. All right.
And then we're just going to hit the add test result.
Now, result changed in main because we changed it from no result to a result. Right? So and then it says changed in main and what?
Changed in main and added to history.
Added to history this time. Why is that?
Because the results are there.
Because we got
and
a result.
We put them in. Okay.
So let's go look at him here in Maine first. So we're sorting by last name. We're going to go find Donald Duck, and there he is. And you can see all of his data. He works for Disney, Sue and Quest, drug pre-employment, verified negative. Now he should be in history as well now for the history reports, because he's got, and there he is.
Right.
In history.
There he is.
So that's how you do that.
Okay, so when results come in, it's on Maine
Right.
and history. Okay.
So now I just want to show one other feature. Let's just pick anybody
Okay.
and add a new test result. We're not actually going to add it.
Mm-hmm.
But look here now. Wait, that's really not what I wanted to do. I wanted to add a new employee. So now if I want to add a new employee and I open up this existing company name,
Mm-hmm.
guess what
Oh,
company's
Disney's there.
Disney.
Oh, I see. So
Yeah.
your existing company names will keep
Oh,
populating
yes.
as you use
You
them.
never
and
have
add
to
them
enter
in.
one more than once, and it keeps you from fat fingering them as
That's
well.
awesome.
So that's how you enter records manually. The next video will show you how you do how you enter data with import. And like I said earlier, you can use a mixture of both. You can do some importing, you can do some manually. Doesn't matter.
All right.
Did you find that pretty easy to do?
This was very helpful.
All right. So
And
that's how
easy.
you enter it manually.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye.